Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
I am Vhugala Munyai, and I am the founder of Customize. Customize was formed in 2021. We are based in Toyando, P East. I started my business because I realized that I can make a lot of money out of sneakers, because I believe that there are a lot of people with sneakers that needs to be restored, needs to be repaired, and also I believe that most of people prefer to wear unique stuff. So that's why I came up with the idea of customizing sneakers, so that everyone can wear sneakers of their own. I can say custom. Basically, we customize sneakers, we restore them, and also we customize apparels with paints. People should choose my company because I offer quality services, and also I take care of my customers, and also I give quality classes. To find me, please contact me on 0799 080079, both WhatsApp and call. And also on social medias, you can find me on Instagram at Vhugala or Customize, and also on Twitter is Vhugala, and Facebook also Vhugala, and TikTok is Customize. Hi, my name is Vhugala, and I'm a township entrepreneur.